How to record voiceover in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your CapCut application from your device. Go ahead and tap New Project. Choose any project where you would like to do a voiceover. Then tap on to Add. Now this being your project, if you would like to do voiceover in this, all you have to do is unselect the footage or video. You will see audio button here. Simply tap onto audio, swipe into your left. At the end, you will see record button. If you tap onto record, it will allow you to record your voiceover. Just tap on this middle section. Just like so, now you can record your voiceover till the end of the video. That is how you can do the same as well. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.